Welcome to WinClass as a tutor. Today I am going to walk you through the whole procedure of an online class on our platform. After you log into your tutor's account, you will see the portal page with all the functions you need to manage your timetable, subjects, and materials. If now you are ready to teach, what you firstly need to do is opening your time slots, which are the time periods that you are able to give lessons. The time periods are divided on hourly base with 15 minutes in between as your break time. You can open any of these time slots by clicking the blocks. Once you open these slots, the students will see them from their portal page simultaneously. After the student chooses the lesson time, you can see the booked slot at your calendar immediately. By clicking My Timetable, you can see all your booked classes are clearly listed at a glance. The schedule will not be messed up, even if you have 100 classes per week, because everything is central managed. Within 15 minutes till the class begins, the Enter Classroom button will become clickable. By clicking it, you will seamlessly enter your private classroom without navigating multiple links. Finally, after the class is completed, please remember to click the Mark Class Completed button, then the credit will be counted, and you will get paid according to the number of how many classes you actually completed. For more information, please watch our other videos and visit our website, winclass.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time.